How to increase karma on Reddit. Welcome back, and let's start with the video. Are you a Redditor who is willing to rank up your karma in Reddit? Fear not, because you have found the perfect place. Firstly, the most basic is the quality content. Yes, you will have to thrive on valuable content. We are talking about funny memes, informative posts, or sparking discussion with thought-provoking questions. Low-effort content like blurry pictures of a cat might get a chuckle, but it won't skyrocket your karma. Sorry, but focus on creating content that responds with your target community. Become a commenting ninja. Comments are your secret weapon. Engage in conversations, share insightful thoughts, and be witty, but remember to be kind. Upvotes for insightful comments add up quickly. However, avoid trolling or negativity. Remember, Reddit thrives on positive interactions. Third is the perfect timing. Timing is crucial when it comes to popular subreddit. Yes, it can move very fast. Been there, done that. Aim to post when your target audience is most active. Some communities might be livelier during evenings or weekends. Do your research and analyze your traffic and try to be more productive during those hours. The upvote shuffle. Upvoting good content is a great way to contribute to the community and might get you some chance to return as upvotes as well. It's a Reddit karma two-way street. Now, the first and the last thing is to embrace the awards. While upvotes are the bread and butter, awards are the sprinkles. Creating content that deserves an award, like a hilarious meme or a super helpful guide, just like this tutorial, can help you boost your karma. There you have it. Remember, karma takes time and effort. Be patient, create quality content, and engage with the community. With these tips, you'll be a karma chameleon in no time. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.